Hello 3D printer peeps and welcome to Maker Monday. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little Santa hat for your P1P or P1S Bamboo Lab printer. We are going to use a model found in MakerWorld. One of the cool things about MakerWorld is that people smarter and more creative than us make these amazing models, configure them fully, and provide them to us, enabling us to print them with little to no interaction of our own. And today's model is just that. Let's go ahead and find it. In search, we are going to type Christmas frame. The very first result is the one we're going to make today, the P1P/P1S Christmas frame. Those of you still learning your way around MakerWorld will want to focus your eyes over here. MakerWorld has multiple ways of providing files to you, dependent on the choices and uploads of the creator. Some models allow you to download 3MF files, STL files, step files, and other forms of the 3D model you are looking at. Some of them do not. Some of them only allow the project file. This frame only has the project file available. You have two ways of accessing it. You can simply click the download button and it will download that 3MF file for you. You would then import that yourself into Bamboo Studio. Or you can simply click the print profile link, which is right here. It will open this project file into your Bamboo Studio with the specifications shown right here, supporting the printers shown right here. If you'd like to see more detail before opening this into Studio, simply hover over the arrow. This will show you the specifics of this project. The model is printed on one single plate, takes 46 minutes, uses a 0.4 model, 23 grams of filament, 2 of black, 20 of white, and 1 of red. If you find all of this acceptable to you, go ahead and click Open in Bamboo Studio. And it will pop open Bamboo Studio, placing the model on the bed and importing all of the settings of that profile. Mine opened off screen because I am working on a workstation with 3 monitors. So here we are, looking at the model, pre-scaled, pre-painted, pre-configured, and ready to print. We can take a quick look at those settings right now. Popping over to strength, we've got 2 wall loops and 15 infill. Speed, everything looks to be at full blast. I'm not a fan of that, so I'm going to go ahead and bring things down. Obviously, we don't need supports. Let's make sure there's no brim or raft. It does say auto. I'm going to turn that off. I do trust my P1P and P1S to print this without a raft. We go ahead and click on Slice, and there you go. You can see the model. You can see there is some room for infill here. If we added a 3rd wall, that infill would go away and this entire frame would be walls. That may make it stronger, but it may also leave it prone to cracking during installation. Having just a touch of space with infill will allow for a little bit of flexibility to prevent you from cracking or breaking this frame while you slip it over your P1S screen. Obviously, we really don't need a whole lot of infill here on the hat itself. It's just going to sit there and be a display piece. Let's send it off to our printer. I'll be printing on Zoe. Zoe is a P1P with an AMS, black in position 1, white in position 2, red in position 4. I do not need to level the bed. I do need to use AMS. I do want a time lapse, and off it goes. All right, here we are. This is my Bamboo Lab P1P, and I've got our little Santa hat ready to go. You are simply going to line it up and slide it over. Doesn't really require any force at all. And bingo bango, your Bamboo Lab P1P or P1S 3D printer is ready for the festive holiday season. If you made one and posted it on Instagram or anywhere else, leave me the link so I can go see it. Hey.